Introducing the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's most refined, ultra-lightweight, and intelligent iPhone yet. Crafted from a new aerospace-grade titanium alloy, the iPhone 17 Air achieves a stunning balance between durability and featherlight portability. It is the slimmest and lightest iPhone ever made, yet it doesn't compromise on power, design, or innovation. This is Apple's boldest step into the future of minimalistic, AI-driven mobile technology. At the center of the experience is a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering jaw-dropping clarity, true-to-life colors, and silky smooth promotion 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. With Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and ultra-thin bezels, every frame feels immersive, every scroll seamless, and every video like a cinematic masterpiece. Whether you're watching HDR content, editing reels, or reading articles, the iPhone 17 Air's display brings everything to life with astonishing precision. Powering this sleek marvel is the all-new A18 Pro Bionic, a 3nm chip engineered for maximum performance and AI responsiveness. It's not just fast, it's smart. Built with a redesigned neural engine, the chip supports on-device generative AI, making real-time translation, AI-assisted photography, and contextual suggestions faster and more private than ever. From gaming with console-level graphics to editing 4K ProRes videos, everything feels fluid, responsive, and whisper-quiet. Apple has also redefined mobile photography with its next-generation AI camera system. The triple-lens setup, including a 48MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto with Smart Zoom AI, is backed by the upgraded Photonic Engine 2.0 and Cinematic Mode 2.0. Whether it's a dimly lit cafe or a vibrant sunset, the camera captures every moment with clarity, contrast, and artistic flair. The iPhone 17 Air also introduces scene memory, using AI to remember how you edit your photos and auto-enhance new ones to match your style. In terms of battery life, the iPhone 17 Air brings smart power management into the mix. The 3,500 mAh battery, while compact, is fine-tuned through AI to prioritize app usage and background efficiency, giving users more screen-on time than ever before. With USB-C fast charging, you can power up to 50% in just under 25 minutes, and yes, it supports MagSafe and reverse wireless charging for your AirPods or Apple Watch on the go. Running on the brand new iOS 19, the iPhone 17 Air offers an intuitive and personalized experience. From real-time live translate during phone calls to AI-generated messages, widget memory, smart calendar suggestions, and context-aware Siri, the OS now feels like a true assistant that adapts to your day. With Apple's commitment to privacy, all AI features are designed to run on device, meaning your data stays with you, not in the cloud. Design-wise, it's not just light, it's elegant. The matte titanium frame is available in 4 sleek finishes: frost silver, sky blue, midnight black, and the all-new crimson red. With a minimalist camera housing, seamless button design, and improved haptics, the iPhone 17 Air offers a premium feel in every hand gesture. For those who crave power, portability, and personalization, the iPhone 17 Air isn't just an iPhone. It's your AI companion, productivity tool, entertainment center, and creative studio, all wrapped in one impossibly thin device. If you're ready for the next leap in intelligent design and performance, the iPhone 17 Air is the future, in your palm.